हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। आज की वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ द ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग, जिसे हम ओप्स के नाम से भी जानते हैं, नोन एज इज आल्सो नोन एज ओप्स, that is called object oriented programming. uh, First, we talk about the what is the object-oriented programming. So, object-oriented programming is a style of the programming that we can divide our complex problem in a similar sets of the problem that creating the object. That means we can handle the our complex problem by creating the object. uh, this is the first point. And in the object oriented programming, everything as object, we know about. If you learn the Java programming language, we can aware as object oriented programming. What is the object oriented programming? So if you know about the object Java programming, so in the Java programming, everything considered as the object. That means we can organize our software as a combination of the different type of the object. So that means we can organize our code and maintain our code as a by using the object oriented programming. So the type of the object, the object oriented programming is the methodology. This is simplified our software development and maintenance by providing the some rules. That means it is the object oriented programming is the methodology that can provide some rules that for maintain our code and organize our code, our code. So there are many object oriented programming languages like JavaScript, C++, Java, uh, Python. Python is there are many object oriented programming. So object oriented programming, we know about object oriented programming. It is simplified our code, code and programming. The complex problem we can sometimes we can face the very complex problem in the coding. So we can simplify our complex coding in the similar set of the problem by creating the object. So like Java and Python and C++, so Kotlin is also the object oriented programming. Like a Java, in the Kotlin, also everything as a consider the object. We can object oriented programming. Kotlin is also support the object oriented programming rules like C++, Java and Python. So in object oriented programming is style to create our program in a simplified and maintainable code in the software development. uh, so so uh, Kotlin is also support the support the feature of the higher order function, like as a Lambda, like as a Lambda. Lambda and higher order function is the object oriented programming. The benefit of the object oriented programming, we can reuse our code, reuse our code many times, and the and security. The object oriented programming is the main main feature and the benefit is are the security problem. The security problem we can object oriented program, we can use the inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction with the so object oriented programming is support like the features, encapsulation and abstraction. So we can in the security point of view, the object oriented programming is the benefit, most benefit of the security problem, and the reusable the code. And by if in the terms of reusable the code, we can save our times to write the code, and our time, and enhance the productivity in the programming language. So we in this video we can learn about the object oriented programming. Object oriented programming, what is the object oriented programming and the benefit of the object oriented programming. So let us I summarize again in this video. The object oriented programming is a methodology to programming language. We can simplify the complex problem and complex code in the very easy to, and organize our code in the different type of object providing the certain rule. So the Kotlin is also programming like Kotlin is also support the object oriented programming like C, C++, Java and Python. Yes, so there are so many object oriented programming. In this video we can learn about the Kotlin object oriented programming. Kotlin also the support the object oriented programming. In the Kotlin is also has everything, consider everything in Kotlin as object like a Java. So we can Kotlin also support the higher order function object, and so like a Java higher features in the like Java we can learn in this video what is the object oriented programming. So in the that's all the in this video. We can like our the video, and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, to please leave the comment in the comment box. So all about in this video, we can learn the next topic in the next video. So we are the signing off. Thank you.